Hi everyone. So first thing you need to know is why you should learn InDesign because it is an industry standard page layout application where you can create and publish pages in websites or any other mobile device with a pre-flight of magazines, pages, brochures, booklet, interactive PDF and so on. But why is InDesign like industry standard? Where you can import lots of documents, I mean like long documents with dozens or even hundreds of resolutions and work without any delay or slowing down process. That will improve your proficiency in your work. So it has lots of time saving options where the expert prefers for it to go for. Say for example, you from this tutorial you will learn how to import text, work on it and lot more till the complex of how to creating a book with 600 of pages or plus, or even creating a magazine cover with it. So from basic to the complex thing we are going to cover in this lesson. So the complex also include mastering page styles, style sheets and table of contents. You can cover everything in it. So this is totally upon you and how much speed you are going to cover this tutorial, because you're going to sit at your home at your most convenient time. You're going to learn, but make sure you're 100% confident with one chapter, then move on to the next one. So in the description, you will find a link for the Google Drive where you can find all of the exercise file which I'm going to use in this tutorial, so that you could download and just work along with me so that you won't get any doubt. So if you have any doubt, feel free to contact the WhatsApp description link and join the link and ask any doubt or even comment below. The exercise files are made with in mind like it should be useful for everyone, so you just give a try for it. And there's also PDF notes for it where you can download and have it go through of it if I'm not clear. So I'm using the latest version of Adobe CC, that is 2020. So I recommend you to use 2020 or any other device, but 2020 is more preferable because you will get to know about lots of features. So if you're not a Creative Cloud member, then just go to their website and download the 30 days free trial, and you can practice InDesign in that time period. And then if you're okay, just go and buy a license because that will be useful for like typekit fonts and CC libraries. So not only learning InDesign in this tutorial, you'll get to know how you can get a certificate from the Adobe itself. That's called Associate ID certificate. That is Associate InDesign certificate for on print and digital media publication. So this certificate is accepted internationally. So you can use this and create great job opportunities. This will boost your confidence and you will be one among others. So I have friends who has Adobe certificate and I can see them, they are working so good and they are enjoying the certificate liberty. So I encourage you to go for it. So there are two levels of certificate. So I have included an ACA exam preparation guide PDF also, where it has all the theoretical thing you need to know about the exam and helps you prepare for it. And next important thing is showcasing your work, because when you're if you're doing a freelancing and a client comes, how will you like impress him? You just need to show him your portfolio. I'll tell you how to create a beautiful portfolio, so once a client sees, he'll be so much impressed. And the next thing, you'll be a bit doubt about yourself because you're sitting and watching this tutorial and having bits of practice. Are you really going through it? If you have any doubt, just go through the test which I prepared especially for you. It's in the exercise file on the every chapter. You can take the quiz online and just mark yourself. So coming back to the certificate, it has two level of certificate. It is given by Adobe itself. They have a particular site for that, that's called Centiport, I think so. You can check it out. There are two level of certificate. One is ACA and another is ACE. So ACA is entry level exam, that is Associate Certified Adobe Certificate Associate, and so the certificate stays with you for 3 years, and after that, I think you should renew it. It has 39 questions with 50 minutes of your time, and 70% is the pass result for it. So once it's done, your certificate will be given to you immediately once the exam is done. You have to go through Centreport, fill in the form, fix on a particular date and time and location for your test, and if after once it's done, you'll get the certificate. So the certificate syllabus comes in two steps. One is theoretical and another is technical. The first 2 points are theoretical, where setting project requirements and preparing page layout, and understanding InDesign page layouts, publish, export, archiving. These comes from technical. Once you crack all this through, you'll get your certificate. Anything. So that's all for the introduction class. So we'll be concentrating much more. From the next class, I'll start with the interface and we'll keep on going till we attain the master class.